square root of 75 plus square root of 72 under square root. We have to simplify this. Let's try. So square root of 75, we can write it as 25 times 3 under square root plus 72 under square root as 24 times 3 under square root, then whole under square root. Now this we can write it as 25 under square root times 3 under square root plus 24 under square root times 3 under square root, then all under square root. Now we can take square root of 3 as common. So square root of 3 bracket square root of 25 plus square root of 24 under square root, or this we can write it as square root of 3 under square root times 25 under square root plus 24 under square root, or this we can write it as 3 raised to the power 1 upon 2, then whole raised to the power 1 upon 2. This square root is power raised to 1 upon 2 and this square root is power raised to 1 upon 2 times square root of 25 is 5 plus square root of 24 we can write it as 2 times 3 times 4 under square root, or this is 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 times 5 we can write it as 3 plus 2 plus, and this we can write it as square root of 2 times square root of 3 times square root of 4 under square root. Again this is 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4. 3 we can write it as square root of 3 square, because when square root is squared then square root gets cancelled with this square and it becomes 3, and 2 we can write it as square root of 2 square, and this square root of 4 is 2, then times square root of 2 times square root of 3. Now if we consider square root of 3 as a, square root of 2 as b, then this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this is an algebraic expression. We can write it as a plus b whole square. So this we can write it as 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 times square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole square. Now we can remove this square root with this square. So we have 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 times square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So this is our answer. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.